Thanks for joining me for part 2 of Max Weber. Let's take a closer look at his life's work and legacy left behind. Are you ready? Weber observed a powerful trend in modern life. It was rationalization. This is the process where efficiency, calculation, and predictability dominate all areas of life. In the past, tradition or emotion guided action, but modern society, Weber argued, is ruled by instrumental rationality, decisions based on logic and outcomes. So what was the symbol of this transformation? Well, he thought it was one number, the bureaucracy, which is a system that is impersonal, rule-bound, and efficient. But rationalization has a dark side. Weber warned of the iron cage, a metaphor for how modern people become trapped in systems that limit creativity and freedom. You're no longer a person, you're a number in a file, a cog in a machine. Weber's theory of authority helps us understand how power becomes legitimate. He identified 3 types. 1. Traditional authority, based on customs and long-standing practices like monarchies. 2. Charismatic authority, based on personal qualities and heroic leadership, like revolutionary leaders. 3. Rational legal authority, based on laws, rules, and procedures, like modern governments. The rise of bureaucracy is tied to rational legal authority. It values efficiency, hierarchy, and documentation. Weber saw it as necessary for complex societies, but also warned it could become dehumanizing as people would lose touch of the human side of transactions. Still, modern states, corporations, and schools all depend on bureaucratic organization to function. How does Weber compare to the other founding sociologists? Karl Marx saw history as shaped by class struggle and material conditions. Weber agreed that economics matter, but emphasized ideas and culture too. Émile Durkheim focused on social facts and how society maintains order. Weber was more individualistic, interested in how people give meaning to their actions. Max Weber's ideas live on. His influence reaches thinkers like C. Wright Mills, who studied the power elite in capitalist democracies, Talcott Parsons, who brought Weber into structural functionalism, Jürgen Habermas, who critiqued rationalization but extended Weber's work. Today, Weber helps us understand why people follow authority, how belief systems affect economic behavior, the role of bureaucracy in organizations, the psychological toll of modern rational life. Ask yourself these questions next time you roam around your day. Even in the digital age, with AI and algorithms replacing human decisions, Weber's concept of the iron cage feels more relevant than ever. His work reminds us that society is not just about structures or numbers, it's about meaning, action, and values. In short, Weber offered a multidimensional view of society, one that balances economics, politics, culture, and individual motivation. Thank you for watching part 2 of Max Weber's Doodle lecture. If you found this video interesting, then please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You should also check out other theorists I cover. I will link the playlist for you. See you next time.